Hello everyone, this is me Tanveer Ahmed. Welcome back for the today's online learning class. And the today's topic of discussion is a chemistry class 11th, and that is chapter 1, which is some basic concept of chemistry. So what we're gonna cover in this chapter I will discuss with you right now. So let's have a look. Okay. So let me start a topic which I have to cover, that is called some basic concept of chemistry. This is the first chapter of the class 11. Okay. So in this chapter, we have to just introduce the terms chemistry. First of all, we will learn about the introduction of chemistry. Introduction of chemistry. After then, we have to cover the classifications. So before I'm going to introduce chemistry, then after we will cover about the importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry. After then, we have to cover the scope of chemistry. Scope of chemistry. Then after we have to classify the chemistry. On the basis of their different parts, classifications. That is, chemistry are classified into 4 parts. First is that physical chemistry. Then after inorganic chemistry, and third is organic chemistry, and the fourth is analytical, which covers qualitative and quantitative chemistry. So this is all the terms. This all terms is new for the class 11 students. Okay, so we will cover all the things in this particular chapter. Thereafter, we will classify on the basis of chemistry. We will classify the chemistry on the basis of their matters. Okay, so matters is that matter is further subdivided into 2 parts, that is called pure substance and the impure substance. Further, it will be classified on the basis of the pure substance, that is element and compound. After then, in the impure substance, that is homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. Okay, so impure substance is also called a mixture. After then, we will cover about the stoichiometric calculation. We will cover about the stoichiometric calculations. That include stoichiometry that covers first of all, that is laws of chemical combination. Then after we will cover next part, that is called average atomic mass and average atomic mass, molecular mass, after then we will cover about the mole concept, and the last term is which includes in a stoichiometry, that is concentration terms. Here one point are also included, that is called empirical and molecular formula. Empirical and molecular formula. Next we have to cover, in the laws of chemical combination we will learn about the different laws, that is called laws of conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, laws of multiple proportion, then after Gay-Lussac's law, after then average, sorry, Avogadro's law. So these are the things which includes in this particular chapter. So we will cover, so first of all, what introduction of the chemistry, in which we will get the basic idea of the chemistry. Then after we will cover about the importance of chemistry. Then after we will cover the scope of chemistries. After then we will classify the chemistry on the basis of their physical, inorganic. Chemistry are subdivided into 4 parts. That is called physical, inorganic, organic, and analytical. So in the physical chemistry, we will cover about the calculation and law. We will learn about the laws related to the calculations of that particular things. Okay. So next, then after we will cover about the inorganic chemistry, that deals with the study of a compound other than carbon and hydrogens. Okay, that is called inorganic chemistry. Then after we will cover the organic chemistry, that includes the hydrocarbons, that is the compound that are made up from the carbon and hydrogens. And also there are too many elements are available in that particular that makes the organic compounds. Okay, so basically organic compounds, you have learned in the class 10 about the carbon and its compound, and we will just elaborate this thing on the class level. After that you have to study the analytical chemistry, that includes 2 things, quantitative and the qualitative. What are the amounts that are going to react with some chemical reactions, and the quantities of that particular things that are calculated on the basis of their formulas and the calculations. Okay, and we will also study about the quality of that particular chemicals. Then after we will classify the matters on the basis of the pure substance and the impure substance. Matter is further subdivided into, that is, element and compound. Getting? So then after impure substance are further subdivided into homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, and this homogeneous mixture is further subdivided into solution, and solution includes different types, that is called saturated solutions, unsaturated solutions. Okay, and third is super saturated solution. So these are the things which we have to include in this chapter. So after that we will learn about the stoichiometric calculation, that is called stoichiometry. That includes laws of chemical combinations. After then we will study about the atomic mass and the average atomic mass and the molecular mass, empirical formula, mole concept, and then last topic is your concentration term. And these concentration terms includes the basic things, that is called mass percentage, volume percentage, then after mole fraction, after then molality, these are the things which have to include in this particular chapter. Okay, so after then we also have to cover in this particular concentration terms, that is normality also. Get it? So these are the things which I'm just going to discuss with you in this particular first chapter, as well some basic concepts of chemistry. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Have a marvelous day. Thank you, everybody.